Let's talk about the art of tablescaping for your holiday. As you can see, my table is set. It just takes a few little simple pieces, a little seasonal tablecloth, fun colored charger, plain basic white plates because you can accent them however you want. A few little tips and tricks from the dollar store with some little shamrocks, some pots of gold. We set the table and then, obviously, fun napkin folds for every day, and then gather some pieces of green from all around your house. Simple and easy. All right, this is our St. Patty's Day table prior to me deciding what kind of napkin I wanted. Basic charger, solid white plates, little green shamrock and pot of gold, and a little leprechaun hat on the wine glasses. We gathered some greenery, some gold candlesticks, and we were ready. And then I decided on a little leprechaun guy. Quick and easy, fun little table setting you can easily replicate with just a few key pieces. And if you want to learn how to make the leprechaun, stay tuned. That's coming up. And I'm going to show you 2 fun folds that you will be able to repeat easily and dazzle your guests with your fun table. Let's get started. So let's start with the leprechaun. We're going to take our napkin and fold it into a triangle. We're then going to take each side and fold it up, making a diamond shape. We're going to take the bottom of the diamond and fold it up. Flip the napkin over. Take your right side and fold it over, maybe do a little tuck. And then you're going to fold over the left side, again, tucking a little bit so that they will fold into each other. We're then going to flip the napkin over and move down each of the leprechaun's arms and giving us the little shape of a leprechaun. You can add a hat at this point to make it a little more whimsical. Next up, we're going to do the shamrock. So we're going to take a square napkin, probably a white or green, and we're going to fold each of the corners into the center. We are then going to take each of the new corners and fold them towards the center. We are going to then turn our napkin over and fold each of the corners towards the middle again. As I said, it's a simple fold. A little repetitive, but quite simple. It's easier if you hold the corners in the middle. We're then going to go to each of the corners and pull out the end piece. And that is going to give us our basic shamrock shape or clover shape. There you have it. I like to put something in the middle, maybe a little coin. And now hit like and subscribe, please. Thank you.